The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and the City of Orlando Office of Emergency Management. At approximately 11:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple reports of suspicious coordinated activity were received across several areas of Orlando. Law enforcement and emergency services are responding to an ongoing situation. Residents are instructed to shelter indoors immediately and remain there until further notice. Lock all doors and windows. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. Avoid crowds and do not gather in public areas. Officials emphasize that this message is precautionary as investigations continue. Updates will follow when more information becomes available. This is a shelter-in-place warning for Orlando, Florida. Issued November 18, 2017. Effective until further notice. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. As of 12:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, additional coordinated disruptions have been detected in multiple districts of Orlando. These include interruptions to electrical systems, communication networks, and traffic control devices. Authorities believe these incidents are related to the earlier reports of suspicious activity. While the exact source is still under investigation, preliminary assessments indicate these events may not be accidental. Residents are to continue sheltering indoors. Do not travel on major roads or approach malfunctioning infrastructure. Emergency crews are actively responding. If you experience power or communication outages, remain calm and stay in place. Officials will provide further instructions as information becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, the Florida Division of Emergency Management, and the Office of Homeland Security. As of 1:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, coordinated and deliberate interference has been confirmed in multiple parts of Central Florida. These disruptions include electrical grid instability, communication outages, and unauthorized access attempts on critical infrastructure systems. Residents in Orlando, Winter Park, Eltham Springs, Kissimmee, and neighboring communities are instructed to remain in shelter. Do not attempt to travel at this time. Local law enforcement and federal agencies are actively investigating a developing security threat. Officials stress that this situation is ongoing. There is currently no information suggesting this is an isolated incident. Additional regions may experience similar technical disruptions as assessments continue. If you encounter malfunctioning electrical equipment, damaged signals, or unusual activity near public facilities, maintain distance and notify authorities when safe to do so. This civil danger warning remains in effect until further notice.
The following message is a all clear message. The terrorist in Los Angeles has been arrested. Repeat, this is all clear message. All residents may leave their shelters. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system.